The future is becoming electric faster than most people realize. BTech in Electrical Engineering at SFIT puts you at the center of this transformation from static power distribution to software-defined electrification. You will learn how the electrical power system, electrical machines, control system, power electronics and automation work together to keep the industries and cities running. Through practical labs, technical projects, electrical symposium, and with hands-on learning, you will learn to use technologies that are used in industries today. You will be able to explore the emerging areas of electric vehicle, AI and IoT in electrical engineering, and sustainable power technologies shaping the future. That experience can lead you towards a role as power system engineer, automation engineer, researcher, or careers in PSUs. As technology evolves, the demand for smarter energy systems will only grow. The real question is, do you want to build them